This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a smartwatch. First, ensure your new device is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the dedicated companion app to your smartphone from your app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your smartwatch via Bluetooth. This usually involves confirming a code on both devices. Finally, complete the initial setup within the app, which includes setting your preferences and personal details for accurate tracking. Your smartwatch offers a wealth of convenient features right on your wrist. You can effortlessly receive and manage notifications for calls, messages, and app alerts, deciding which ones are most important. It's also an excellent fitness companion, tracking your daily steps, distance, and even your heart rate with impressive accuracy. Furthermore, you can control your music playback without reaching for your phone and even make quick, secure payments using contactless technology, often with just a tap at the terminal. Personalizing your smartwatch makes it truly yours. You can easily change watch faces to suit your outfit or mood, with hundreds of options available. Dive into the companion app to customize which notifications appear on your wrist, ensuring you only get the alerts that matter most. Explore the App Store to download new applications, expanding your watch's capabilities. To extend battery life, consider adjusting the display brightness or disabling features like always-on display when not needed, potentially adding several hours of use. To ensure your smartwatch remains in top condition, regular care is essential. Keep it clean by gently wiping the screen and band with a soft, damp cloth to remove dirt and oils. Always ensure your device's software is updated to the latest version. These updates often bring new features and performance improvements. Consider investing in a screen protector or a protective case to guard against scratches and bumps. Finally, always check its water resistance rating, typically ranging from 50 to 100 meters, before swimming or showering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.